Consumer privacy is an important issue for the entire industry, but it's also an incredible opportunity. When we ask consumers their opinion, it's amazing. Far more of them want to offer up their favorite brands, information about themselves, in an effort to have better experiences and cultivate better relationships with the companies that they love than want to opt out. And so consumers understand the fundamental trade-off, and they understand increasingly the value of their information. What they don't have, and what the industry needs to provide them, is increased visibility and increased choice about how that information is used. And if everyone in the industry can embrace that and start to provide that, and we can start to make that a fundamental consumer expectation, then the quality of the information that we get back from consumers and the quality of the experiences that every company can provide to consumers really starts to go up exponentially. And if it does, this is one of those things that's good for everyone in the industry, because businesses win because they have better interactions with consumers, and consumers win because they have better experiences and better offers. And you know, they're not tracked anymore, they're in a conversation where their preferences are honored. So I think it's an important theme, and it's one that as an industry, if we embrace, we can really transform things. I think GDPR is the first step in a journey. And ultimately, what GDPR really accomplishes is it gives consumers more visibility and more choice. We're going to start to see GDPR type regulation occur here in the United States. We're seeing that with the California ballot initiative. There are a variety of other initiatives contemplated at the state level. The intent behind each one of those legislations is good. It's about visibility, choice, control. What I'd like to see is, rather than deal with a patchwork of individual state legislation, that we elevate the discussion to the federal level and really try to land on a one-size-fits-all framework, such that we don't have to deal with the tax created from 50 different states, but instead deal with a uniform law that spans all states. For 40 years, Acxiom's had the reputation of being the biggest company that you've never heard of, and it's in large part because we operated in the data world that no one really understood. We work with really big companies to help manage their data, but a few things have changed. Now more than ever, there's just been an explosion of data. The best companies on the planet have all embraced the data and are getting really smart about what it means and how they should offer different experiences or make decisions differently based on the result of the data and the insights. And third, consumers understand the role of their data and want control and choice. And out of that has come a huge opportunity for Acxiom to become a really important company that everyone's heard of. And so our mission is simple. Our goal is to connect every piece of data with every person on the planet, with every available use case that matters, but do it all with the appropriate permissions and consent and ethical stewardship. And if we can accomplish that, amazing things can happen. Consumers have better experiences, companies make better decisions, and everyone has better outcomes.